Hi students, welcome back to @Valley Math channel. In the last video, I already explained you what is a polynomial, what are the types of the polynomial and coefficient, degree, these all we learned. Now in this video, the very important concept in the polynomials we are going to discuss. Can you guess what is that? Yes, it is the zero of the polynomial. This zero of the polynomial is very useful to both 9th, 10th CBSE and state syllabus children. This is because this polynomials chapter is there in both 9th and 10th class. Let us start the zero of the polynomial. First of all, what is the zero of the polynomial? Zero of the polynomial means a value which satisfies the given polynomial is known as zero of the polynomial. Let us take one example, that is, let p of x is equals to polynomial in the variable x. P of x meaning is polynomial in the variable x. Now this way polynomial I am taking x square minus 5x plus 6. This is a quadratic polynomial because its degree is 2. In the last video I explained you the highest power of the variable is degree of the polynomial. Now the degree of this polynomial is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. 0 means a value which satisfies the polynomial. Meaning is whenever we are substituting any one value instead of x, if we get answer 0, then that value is known as 0 of the polynomial. Now I am taking instead of x 2, let's check with this value. P of 2 is equals to x square. Instead of x square, write 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10 plus 6. 6 and 4 are having same symbol, that is plus. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So here we got answer as 0. So this 2 is the 0 of this quadratic polynomial. Once again I am telling, whenever we substitute one value in the quadratic polynomial or in any polynomial, if we get answer as 0, then that value is known as 0 of the polynomial. So here 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Got it? So is it clear to you or not? That if you have any doubt, please comment. I will clarify your doubt in the next video, children. Now here we got 0. That's why this 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Now how to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial? First of all, a quadratic polynomial have how many zeros? Any polynomial, what is the degree? Here this polynomial is having degree 2. So it is having at most 2 zeros. It is having at most 2 zeros. Okay. Now I am going to take one more example to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Let p of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. It is a quadratic polynomial because its degree is 2. A quadratic polynomial have at most 2 zeros because its degree is 2. A polynomial whose degree is 2, that many zeros that polynomial have. So here it is having at most 2 zeros. Sometimes a quadratic polynomial may have 1 zero and may not have zeros also. Okay, now we are going to find the degree of the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. by using split the middle term method and factorization. Then we will split this one into two linear polynomials. Two linear polynomials. The very first step is, first we have to equate this quadratic polynomial to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Next step, we have to split the middle term. That is the reason first we have to take x square coefficient. We have to take. Here no number is there as coefficient. That's why take 1 as the coefficient. Then minus 8 is the constant that you take. First you have to take the x square coefficient, that is 1. Next here minus 8. 1 into minus 8. Minus 8. Its factors. Factors means we know that a number which divides another number without leaving remainder is known as a factor. Now 8 factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Among these 4 factors, we have to take any 2 factors whose product is 8 and whose sum or difference is the middle one, that is minus 2. So we have to take according to these the factors. Now among these I am taking 1 2s are 2, so it's the product is not 8. Next 2 4s 8, that's satisfied. 4 minus 2 also 2. These 2 should satisfy. First product 2 4s are 8. Next one 4 minus 2 2. So I am taking 4 into 2 8. Next 4 minus 2 2. So here symbols. Now here minus 8 is there. So if among these two numbers any number should have minus, then only the product will be minus 8. So I am giving symbol to 4, minus symbol to 4, because in the polynomial the middle term is having minus symbol. So the big number should have minus symbol. Here also minus 4 plus 2. Now you split minus 4 plus 2. Next here split the middle term with these, that is x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Now you check whether your answer is correct or not. Minus into plus, minus 4 2s are 8, 4 minus 2 2. Once again I am telling, minus into plus, minus 4 2s are 8, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. In this way you have to check. Then here these two terms underline. Then these two terms underline. Among these two terms, which is common term, that you take as common. Okay. So here x square is, x is there in both the terms. Take x as common. X divides x square, x times. X into x, x square, minus x divides 4x 4 times. Okay. Now among these, which is common thing, if you have any doubt, simply x coefficient whatever is there, that you take it as common. X coefficient 2 is there and this 2 divides 8 or not, that you check. Okay, so 2 into x minus 2 divides 8 4 times. Okay, so see here 2 into x minus 4, 2x minus 2 4s 8. Now again underline these two, among these two set of terms, which is common term. Yes, this x minus 4 is the common term. That you take it as common. Then what is the leftover? Here x, here plus 2. Now we got two linear polynomials. This quadratic polynomial we splitted as two linear polynomials. Okay, these two are the factors of this one. Now, which is equal to 0, this will be equal to 0 and this will be also equal to 0. Either this 0 or this one 0. Either this term 0 or this term 0. So, if we transpose minus 4 to that side, minus 4 becomes plus 4. If we transpose plus 2 to that side, so x is equals to plus 2 becomes minus 2. Okay, now we got the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. What are the zeros, children? First zero is 4 and the next one is minus 2. 4 comma minus 2 are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. If you have any doubts in this concept, please comment. I will clarify your doubts in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.